Good morning, everybody. Fix It Dad here, Craig. Yeah. Anyway, today is paint deck time. The other video that you saw was me pressure washing it. Well, this one you're gonna watch me paint it. It's like watching paint dry, but I'll try to make it a little bit more exciting than just watching paint dry. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I got going on here. And by the way, I'm gonna show you my friends. We have 2 dogs. That's Lily. This is Molly. They love hanging out with me. Molly, come here. You're gonna have white paint all over your, yeah, that's all right. Anyway, these 2 just can't get enough of hanging out with me. Especially Molly. She hangs out with everybody. Now she's got paint on her tail. Anyway. Well, this is what you guys are gonna get to watch for the next, I don't know how long it's gonna take me to do this, but probably longer than I wanted to do. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay, we're back. Craig again. So now we're doing the color on here. So this is the next color I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to set up the tripod and go for it, I guess, and see what we got. The white looks really nice. It should look cool. And then we'll do hopefully we'll get this done tonight too. So I pulled the paint out on that. I don't even know if it's any good, but hey, we'll give it our best shot. So anyway, here goes nothing. I'm going to run it about right there. And away we go. And I got bees, lots of bees. Through the trees we go. Dun, dun, dun. We'll look at that. We'll look at that later. I'll do that in a minute. Look at Molly. Is it Molly there? Let me see here. See if I can get her. Yeah. Look at her. She's hanging out. Yep. She loves the sunshine. She likes laying in the grass. She just likes hanging out with Dad, to be quite frankly. It's just her thing. Okay, what have we got going on here? Let's do this. Let's go down with this. There we go. See if I can get this last bit done. I hurt myself too badly. Good morning, everybody. I got a little bit of time left on this. Well, I just wanted to show everybody that I got the deck done. And she looks pretty freaking cool. Between rain squalls and everything, this weekend was extremely productive. Anyway, I will show you what we got going on here. There's that. Around here and all my junk, which we haven't put up yet. But anyway. Yeah, isn't that kind of cool? Look at that. I guess go with this, yeah. We got this, looks good. And she's along here. Along here. But I'll do a back down here. See, see how nice that looks. Looks cool. All my junk up there like that. Yep. Okay. Anyway, come back and do this again. Molly's hanging out with me as usual. The dog that never gets enough human being. Anyway, there's that. And I got junk up here still, but anyway, the deck came out really nice. I gotta do one more coat on it, but for right now, it's gonna hold out until later. But this is a huge project, and I'm glad it's done. I want to do it for another 5 or 6 more years. I hope. Molly, say hi. Yeah. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Yeah, I gotta repaint the door. It looks kind of dirty there. We're gonna do that. But anyway, just want to give you a quick overview. If it's done, it's finished. We're out of here with it. So anyway. We'll see you guys all later. Bye.